Hello and welcome to our video summary of the Galveston Diet by Dr. Mary Claire Haver, a science-backed diet program designed to help combat midlife health issues and shed excess fat. Whether you're a man or a woman, this program is a great way to improve your overall health and wellness. In her book, Dr. Haver provides readers with a special 6-week meal plan and a variety of healthy, delicious recipes, all backed by science, to help you achieve your health goals. The Galveston Diet is perfect for anyone who wants to improve their health and wellness, regardless of gender or age. As a specialist in obstetrics and gynecology and a certified culinary medicine specialist, Dr. Haver has helped thousands of people improve their health and wellness with her patient-proven approach. In the Galveston Diet, she shares her expertise and insights on how to manage perimenopause and menopause symptoms effectively. In this video, we'll break down the key components of the Galveston Diet and explain why this method is so effective. We'll also provide you with some essential takeaways from the book to help you improve your health and wellness. If you're looking for a healthy and sustainable way to improve your overall health, we highly recommend the Galveston Diet by Dr. Mary Claire Haver. The book provides a wealth of information on managing perimenopause and menopause symptoms, along with a science-backed meal plan and delicious recipes. To get the most out of the book, we recommend listening to the free audiobook version, narrated by Dr. Haver herself. Her warm and engaging narration style brings the program to life, providing additional insights and practical tips to help you on your health journey. You can purchase the book or listen to the free audiobook from our link in the description. And, if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. Let's dive right in. If you've been following trends in the fitness world, chances are you've already heard a lot about intermittent fasting. And although it might just sound like another fad diet at first, it's actually a hot topic for a very good reason: it works. Intermittent fasting has been gaining popularity in the fitness world for its effectiveness in aiding weight loss and promoting overall health. The Galveston Diet recognizes the potential of this practice and includes it as one of the 3 main components of the program. Intermittent fasting involves following a specific schedule of eating and fasting, and sticking to it for a certain period of time. Studies have shown that following an intermittent fasting plan for 3 to 24 weeks can lead to significant reductions in weight and waist circumference. For instance, a 2014 study found that individuals who practiced intermittent fasting lost between 3 to 8% of their body weight, while their waist circumference decreased by 4 to 7%. In addition to aiding weight loss, intermittent fasting has been shown to have other beneficial effects on health. It has been found to reduce inflammation, which is linked to various chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Intermittent fasting has also been linked to a lower risk of cancer and dementia. Moreover, it can improve cognitive function and mood, leading to an overall better quality of life. Incorporating the 16:8 intermittent fasting method is one of the key components of the Galveston Diet. This method involves fasting for 16 hours straight and eating during an 8-hour window. The eating period usually starts at noon and ends at 8 p.m. This schedule is easy to follow for most people as it closely resembles their regular eating habits. Additionally, during a significant portion of the fasting period, you'll be sleeping, which helps reduce hunger pangs and prevent unhealthy snacking. However, if the 16:8 schedule does not work for you, there is no need to worry. The Galveston Diet is flexible and allows you to adjust your eating and fasting hours to suit your lifestyle. You can experiment with different schedules, such as the 14-10 method or other variations, until you find the one that works best for you. It is essential to ease into intermittent fasting gradually, particularly if you are new to this practice. Instead of jumping into it and skipping breakfast altogether, start by gradually pushing back your eating time by small increments. For example, you can start by eating breakfast 30 minutes later than your usual time and slowly extend it until you reach your desired start time. This way, your body can adjust to the new eating and fasting schedule without feeling too restricted or overwhelmed. The Galveston Diet's second component emphasizes the importance of incorporating more anti-inflammatory foods into your diet to tackle chronic inflammation, which can lead to serious health problems in the future. Chronic inflammation is also linked to hormonal fluctuations and weight gain in women in midlife. The typical American diet is high in pro-inflammatory foods, which can exacerbate inflammation. The plan is straightforward: avoid high inflammatory foods and include more anti-inflammatory options in your daily meals. To reduce inflammation, it's important to steer clear of processed snacks, fast food, vegetable oils, and fried food, which contain omega-6 fats that trigger inflammation and raise bad cholesterol. Foods with added sugar and artificial preservatives should also be avoided. Added sugar refers to sweeteners that are added to foods, such as table sugar, sucrose, and corn syrup. Foods with saturated fats, such as fatty beef, cheese, and butter, should also be removed from your shopping list. But what should you eat instead? Anti-inflammatory foods include leafy green vegetables, fruits such as berries and cherries, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, nuts, and whole grains. These foods contain antioxidants and other nutrients that can help reduce inflammation in your body. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you feel better, reduce your risk of chronic disease, and improve your overall health. If you're not sure where to start, try incorporating these anti-inflammatory foods into your meals. Add spinach or kale to your morning smoothie, snack on a handful of nuts and berries in the afternoon, and swap out refined carbohydrates for whole grains like brown rice or quinoa at dinner. Over time, these small changes can add up to big improvements in your health and well-being. If you're curious about what foods you can eat while on the Galveston Diet, there are plenty of healthy options. One of the main components is consuming healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, walnuts, olives, coconut flour, and sesame oil. These fats are beneficial for your brain and blood vessels, regulate blood sugar, and may reduce the risk of heart attacks. Protein is also a crucial part of the diet, as it promotes bone health and helps keep you full after meals. Depending on your preferences, there are many sources of protein to choose from, including anchovies, wild-caught salmon, chicken, eggs, lean cuts of beef, legumes, tofu, almond milk, edamame, and cottage cheese. Complex carbohydrates are also important for nourishing your body with fiber and antioxidants, and for eliminating unwanted estrogen. These types of carbohydrates can be found in leafy green vegetables, as well as fruits such as apples and bananas. In addition to incorporating healthy foods into your diet, you may want to consider taking supplements to ensure you're getting enough fiber, vitamin D, and omega-3. While these nutrients can be found in certain foods, it can be difficult to consume enough of them through meals alone. Nutritional supplements can help fill the gap and provide you with the necessary amounts. Finally, it's important to stay hydrated by drinking at least 8 cups of water daily. You can mix it up by infusing your water with organic herbs, fruits, or veggies to add flavor and extra nutrients. Component number 3. Watch the ratio of your macronutrients is the third and final component of the Galveston Diet. This component involves tracking the 3 primary nutrients in your diet, which are healthy fats, protein, and carbohydrates, instead of counting calories. The goal is to decrease carb intake to only 10% and increase healthy fats to 70% and protein to 20%. Macronutrients are the primary nutrients that your body requires, including protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Rather than monitoring calories like in other weight loss programs, you'll be monitoring your macronutrient consumption. This is an important aspect of the Galveston diet because it helps shift your body's energy utilization from glucose to fat. To understand this better, let's look at the science of metabolism. When you consume food, your body searches for carbohydrates and uses them for energy. Once the carbohydrates are used up, your body automatically switches to utilizing stored body fat for fuel. To complete the Galveston diet, you need to focus on tracking your macronutrient ratios, specifically your healthy fats, protein, and carbohydrates intake. Rather than counting calories like other diet programs, the Galveston diet requires you to monitor your macros because it can help shift your body's energy usage from glucose to fat, which can help reduce weight. When you eat, your body typically burns carbohydrates for energy first, but excess carb consumption can prevent your body from using stored body fat as an energy source. Instead, your body stores the excess carbs as fat, which can lead to weight gain. That's why the Galveston diet limits carb intake to 10% and focuses on consuming 70% healthy fats and 20% protein. It might take a few weeks for your body to adjust to the new macronutrient ratio. During the adjustment period, you may experience some side effects like nausea, fatigue, and headaches due to carbohydrate withdrawal. But you can mitigate these symptoms by drinking enough water and eating foods rich in electrolytes like avocados, nuts, and green vegetables. The Galveston diet combines intermittent fasting, anti-inflammatory foods, and tracking your macronutrient ratio to promote weight loss and overall health. Dr. Mary Claire Haver has designed a 6-week meal plan that integrates all 3 components of the diet. The meal plan consists of 2 main meals and 2 snacks per day, which should be consumed during an 8-hour eating window. The daily meals come close to the recommended 70-20-10 macro ratio, with a focus on healthy fats, protein, and limiting carbohydrate intake. The ingredients used in the meal plan are carefully selected for their anti-inflammatory properties and nutrient density. For example, Mary Claire's smoothie recipe includes full-fat Greek yogurt, sliced strawberries, blueberries, chopped walnuts, ground flaxseed, chia seeds, hemp hearts, and unsweetened coconut flakes. This smoothie provides a balance of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, and is a delicious and convenient option for breakfast or a snack. If you're looking for something even simpler, Dr. Haver's hard-boiled egg with avocado recipe is a 2-ingredient wonder. This snack requires just a hard-boiled egg and half an avocado, which are both rich in essential nutrients like protein, iron, vitamin D, magnesium, and potassium. The Galveston diet meal plan is designed to promote weight loss and improve overall health by incorporating nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory foods and a balanced macronutrient ratio. While the diet may take some time to adjust to, it can lead to long-term weight loss and improved health outcomes. If you're looking for something more filling, you can try the chicken and BLT wrap recipe, which includes romaine lettuce leaves, avocado, shredded rotisserie cooked chicken breast, chopped tomato, turkey bacon, homemade ranch dressing, black pepper, and grated cheddar cheese. This wrap is both flavorful and nutrient-dense, making it a great option for a satisfying meal. If you prefer to create your own meals, it's important to keep track of your macros to ensure that you're staying within the recommended ranges. By balancing your macronutrient intake, you can help your body shift its energy usage from glucose to fat, which is key for weight loss and overall health. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also about when you eat and how much you eat that can make a difference in your health and wellness journey. Now that you have completed the 6-week Galveston diet meal plan, you may be wondering what comes next. You might be thinking, do I go back to my old eating habits, or do I continue with the same meals I've been eating for the past 6 weeks? The good news is that the Galveston diet offers a maintenance program that will help you maintain your weight loss and continue to improve your health. The Galveston Diet for Life is a maintenance program that is similar to the 6-week meal plan but with a few changes. The first thing you'll need to commit to is intermittent fasting. This is not just a temporary fix, but a lifestyle change that will help you keep the weight off and prevent inflammation. The second thing to keep in mind is that anti-inflammatory foods should still be the focus of your meals. However, you don't have to limit yourself to the meals in Dr. Haver's recommended plan. You can add new fruits and vegetables to your diet to keep things exciting. Finally, the macro ratio is still important, but you can change things up a bit. For the first week or so, you can try a 60% fat, 20% protein, and 20% carb ratio. Then, gradually transition to a 50-20-30 ratio for a few more weeks, and eventually settle on a 40-20-40 ratio. Remember, the Galveston Diet is not just a temporary diet but a lifestyle change. By continuing to follow the principles of the Galveston Diet for Life, you can maintain your weight loss and improve your health for years to come. After following the Galveston Diet for a while, it's common to see a slight increase in weight, usually around 5 pounds. However, it's essential to keep track of your body measurements to avoid getting discouraged. If the weight gain continues, you can temporarily switch back to the 70-20-10 ratio for a while. Remember that eating the right foods is just one aspect of a healthy lifestyle. Getting enough sleep is critical as well, with 6 to 8 hours recommended each night. Research suggests that not getting enough sleep can increase hunger hormone levels, making it more challenging to maintain a healthy weight. Being active is also essential for maintaining good health, but that doesn't mean you have to spend hours at the gym. Walking for 20 minutes, practicing yoga for 30 minutes, or doing lightweight lifting a few days a week is enough to keep you in shape and feeling great. Another helpful habit to develop is journaling. Taking the time to reflect on your past successes and future goals can keep you motivated to continue working towards your desired outcomes. It can also help you feel excited about what's to come and stay on track towards your goals. And that concludes our summary of the Galveston Diet by Dr. Mary Claire Haver. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your journey towards better health. Remember to incorporate the principles of the Galveston Diet for Life into your daily routine and commit to a healthy lifestyle change. Intermittent fasting, anti-inflammatory foods, and macro ratios are just the beginning. Make sure to get enough sleep, stay active, and journal your progress for added motivation. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and thank you for watching.